the topic that I would be bringing out, Mr. Chair, is of public importance. It is a concern of everybody, a part of our duty to maintain peace and order, Mr. Chair. As we all know, Mr. Chair, one of the highlights of our fiesta here in Lawag City is the activity under the bridge, Mr. Chair. I'm referring to the festival, Mr. Chair. And the other night, there was a police operation that transpired within that area, of which it so happened that barangay officials and the person arrested seek my engage my services, of which there is a need for me to bring this matter to this body, Mr. Chair. A person was allegedly arrested because of carrying firearm, Mr. Chair. And I want to show the video that was taken by a barangay official who was eventually stopped by the PNP. It's only a 1-minute video. As we could see, the police officer is holding a firearm, Mr. Chair. And it stopped there already, Mr. Chair, because the police officer stopped the barangay official from recording the incident. Of course, we are aware that it is not illegal to take video, Mr. Chair. Now, Mr. Chair, in this video recording, when the accused was arrested, Mr. Chair, I went to the police station immediately the following day, and I wanted that the firearm will be subjected for fingerprinting and everything. I was answered that it was already contaminated. We cannot subject it for fingerprinting. Again, I inquired from the police officers, may we obtain body-worn camera or other alternative recording device to see how you were able to allegedly recover the firearm from the accused. And what was answered, Mr. Chair, is shocking. Nagka-technical problem ka no aming recording device. Now, Mr. Chair, I made a thorough investigation last night, and I was able to talk to a lot of people. I have a lot of video recording, not only that, Mr. Chair. I have plenty. But I did not get the consent of the owner to publish it, only this one that I was able to get the consent, Mr. Chair. Now, it is apparent, Mr. Chair, that the targeted man is wearing a sling bag. They claim, the police officer claimed, that they were able to get the firearm from the waist of the accused. I really wonder how come that you could keep a firearm on such waist with a waistline of XXXL, Mr. Chair. If I have a firearm with that body, Mr. Chair, definitely I will be keeping it inside my bag. I carry always a gun, Mr. Chair. It's in my bag, Mr. Chair, because I cannot keep it on my waist for obvious reason, matnag, Mr. Chair. But this is something very alarming, Mr. Chair. As we could see, Mr. Chair, if we are going to play it again while I am talking, amulatik ikan sound sen, please. As we could see, Mr. Chair, the police officer is giving the gun, trying to let the guy hold the firearm. Now, that is very dangerous. It is against all PNP protocol. Apay iyawat mo tay paltog manen. Sa bali pa kitan tay police in many instances. Nung orod inagaw tay tao, DJ paltog. And paltogan damit adagos ni Joray lang idoron na kumalang, idoron na. Somre mapante fingerprint na or mabalin nga mapaltugan dito nga taon. Or worse, nagpipinaltog da amin ita umuna matay tay police ken nakadadot taod ta, Mr. Chair. Deta ket pagperyaan deta, Mr. Chair. It is alarming, you see the firearm nga single-handedly nga gaman na hanga dua nga ima, mesa lang nga ima, nagalisto lang nga maagaw deta. But what was the purpose? According to the people who witnessed it, Mr. Chair, kayat da nga ipaegem, DJ paltog ka DJ lalaki. Tapno tay fingerprint, may transfer dya. Anyong tay lalaki, Mr. De La Cruz, did not want to hold the firearm and was even asking nga may fingerprint. My concern here, Mr. Chair, apay aming nga body-worn camera during the time nga maala and all alternative device nag-malfunction, the technical problem according to the PNP when I tried to inquire and request from them, Mr. Chair. Now, if we are going to, in this photo, in this video, there are so many police officers. There are more than 10 police officers, uniformed and in civilian, who were present during this police operation, Mr. Chair. Now, can we go over the photographs that I was able to get from another CCTV? Now, these are CCTVs that I was able to obtain from the entrance of the carnival, Mr. Chair. Adudeta, as early as 9 o'clock, the operation was 11:30 according to the police officer, around 11:30. As early as 9 o'clock, nakadadot police itan. Makita yung pwede dyan, may sa police ijay, kit-kitan na, di around 11 o'clock, kit-kitan na tay CCTV. Nakadado namang kit-kita tay CCTV, kasla, tay impression ko kadya action da Mr. Chair, kasla ang comfortable da nga at the CCTV ijay nga area. So, that is before, Mr. Witness, lagi pa yung dumamampay. Before the operation, take sa balipay. Dito lang. Now, we were even able to capture all the police officers who were on the screen in the video earlier, Mr. Chair. Imay da tinaladladaw niyam, dagito yung nga police. There were around 10 police officers who were involved in this operation. Now, my concern now, Mr. Chair, how are we going to ensure the protection of our constituents from these abuses? Because our job is to ensure the preservation of peace and order within our area of jurisdiction. I would suggest, Mr. Chair, if we have enough fund, we would require or we will give all the PNP personnel here in Lawag City body-worn camera. Tapno no, DJ, dua, asop na mga mingkit, dua lang ti i-require tilinteg. Dua nga body-worn camera nga dapat usarenda for any police operation. But if we could only replicate, kasla kumadya Amerika, aming nga police required nga the body-worn camera, that would be of big help. And now, considering that this incident happened within the activity sanctioned by the city government, and more reason we should be protecting our citizenry, Mr. Chair, I would be suggesting, Mr. Chair, once there will be an award of the highest bidder, haan lang itatiikan natin CCTV, but even to those areas nga, in general areas nga maala na, at the DJ area nga yung pabuyak, Mr. Chair, the distance na from that area, Mr. Chair, my calculation is an award of the highest bidder, haan lang itatiikan natin CCTV, but even to those areas nga, in general areas nga maala na, at the DJ area nga yung pabuyak, Mr. Chair, the distance na from that area, Mr. Chair, my calculation is 25 to 30 meters. If only there are CCTVs covering ijay nga area, even only the general view, we could easily see the movement, we could easily learn no na imula talaga DJ firearm. And according to many witnesses, the firearm allegedly came from them. They identified people who carried the firearm. I have all the video recording. I have the photos. I just do not want to bring it out here, Mr. Chair, because of it is pending now before the prosecutor's office. Now, what is happening now with our police force? Why is it that sa nga pulo nga police in a certain operation, awan lat naka-video? Because the problem now, in Taije Korte, it is between the words of the police and the words of the witnesses. Kit kaya tayo met nga solbaren, DJ, if only we have the body-worn camera, no, inactivate na lang, nga allegedly nga agkakaproblema. This remind me, Mr. Chair, last weekend, EJ Pidig, 64 years old and 70 years old, napanak man nag-investigar Giant. I was engaged. Alleged bypass operation manen. Tatan ideadak Ijay, tay CCTV nga naalami, blinak amin ti kapulisan ti pagnaan na. Identified mi no sino nga makinluglugan nga polis. Blinak na DJ pagnaan. So napilitan DJ senior citizen nga magna ti sabali nga kalsada. Diya awan CCTV na sa Giant ibagada nga nagmula man ti ibagada man nga naglako ti siya buti 64 and 70 years old. So it just coincident in black the amin nga pagnaan sa pagkalagpas after 15 meters. Akit awan CCTV Giant natiliw Giant ket ti pagpagnan na talaga ti dating yung na black. And what is so alarming, Mr. Chair, idi naamon da nga siya abogado na gadot tawag. Dagiti nga agasawa, De La Cruz pa itapelyedo da, ijepidig, De La Cruz pa ita tilawag, hang involved ti drugs, ita hang kami mamati. Idi ma-inquest, in kami jay piskalya, from the prosecutor's office, nagadotin, nakisarsarita kinyak nga hang involved ti drugs, dagiti klientem abogado. And how can we able to prove the innocence of a person now if all the body-worn cameras, all the CCTVs, akit, agbalin meten nga inutile na tahamet nga mausar. Even the mark money nga mausar. So kasla year pukong taypay lang tata because we rely entirely from the statement of the PNP. How I wish the leadership of the PNP would do something to address this problem. Tap na awan probleman, awan te haka-haka, kasla kumadetoy, no talaga naala da J-Ways na, jore kasunod kinabuntog na kuma, nakagarterize pa iti pantalon na, inusar ko nga ebidensya pa, insurrender ko. Akit, naipakita ko ma, no kasano nga naala DJ nga, DJ nga paltog in order to protect our constituents. Because if this happened to these individuals, Mr. Chair, it can happen to any one of us. It can happen to any of our family members or family. So there is something that should be done. And on our part, no kaya tayo kung maikanti body-worn camera aming nga police, itilawag, well and good. On the part of the national government, if the national government would require all police officers on duty nga ada amin body-worn camera, hanlang nga duduwan o ada operation. Same is true with the Supreme Court. We can be able to avoid these abuses, Mr. Chair. And not to mention po, DJ Paltong ngayaw awat na kasta. Duray sinut pagdamagam, it is alarming. Ape kasda, iti kapulisan tayo. Allegedly, inalam yung iyaw awat mo tayo paltog. So that is very alarming, Mr. Chair. That would be all, Mr. Chair. I'm ready for interpellation.